Okay, this is the repeat of the 21. Entrance looks good. Bit of a lack of timing at the start again. Doesn't seem to affect the block too much. Nice energy on those ends. Nadia, I really like it when you keep your cue short as well. When the cue stops there, it makes it a much nicer build for the 21 for you and also for Otto to get on your grips. Already lacking the timing at the start here. We talked about that at the beginning, at the end of the last one. So I think it's the same thing. If I look at your center point, Otto, your center point staying, actually it's moving backwards a little bit, but you could get your hip going a little more. Actually, no, this is better. Excuse me. Just a little bit of over rotation. Missing the timing. Yeah, I feel like, Matthew, you should have been aware to how much harder it is for Otto and Nadia to connect. You see how you're ready and those guys are still just getting together and you're already starting your move. Anticipation's good, but let's just be aware, like use that anticipation to see that what's going on the other side. Notice that they have a longer move to do to get connected. Let's keep watching. Bit of a chaos on the randoms. Nice, Otto. So I'm just looking at Otto's move now. So we want Otto's hip to go that way a little bit at the start. There we go. I would say keep it going a little bit further and then now rotate. Now get the rotation in. If you start the rotation too soon, like you get it moving to there and now you're already kind of rotated making the move, I would say that you guys get to that picture and then keep it going. Nice. Cool. Looks like Matthew's paying a little more attention to what's going on the front, and also those guys are connecting better. Okay, this is a good block. Matthew, you've got more rotation happening. I gave you a hard time before, I think, for not rotating at the end. It looks good. 1, 2, and then finish in there. Yeah. Do you see what I mean, Otto, about your energy? You're done now, it looks like. And it's kind of a little sluggish to the finish. I would say just keep, like, before you flick your hip through, like I think Matthew's flicking his hip now, and you've already flicked your hip through to get the rotation going. And I would say see it as very much a two-stage. So I'm just closing my eyes and thinking through this myself, Otto. So as Nadia's stepping out, I'm helping her with my left hand, my right hip's moving to the right. I see Matthew and I get that picture and now I go. And you're nice and tight, you want to be tight like you are, but to me it looks like you are doing the same thing I just said. You're allowing Nadia out, you're moving your hip, and then now you're moving already, kind of before that picture happens. I think that's the issue that I'm seeing on this block. Yeah, same thing there. So just a bit more of a 1-2. So it goes 1 and then now 2. And then Matthew and Otto, do this block together, please. Really dial each other in. It's an awesome block for communication at the start. I feel like I can always see, especially when I'm in the tunnel and not in freefall, I can always see my cross partner there on the 21 the whole way through the block move. Oh, that was a nice one. Look at the timing on it. Look at the synchronicity on that one as well. 1, coming through together. It's a little wide, but otherwise good. It's not really a little wide. I'm being way too pedantic as usual.